Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Elgato Cam Link 4K device and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage the preview settings. So, as you can see, now we are in our application, which is called Elgato Camera Hub, and on the top right corner in our preview, which is here, this is the first section, this is the second section, we have this strange arrow here. If we click on it, as you can see, we don't see our preview. If we click on this arrow again, we can see the preview in our small pop-up, and now the preview is big. As you can see, we can double click, etc. as you can see. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.